Let's make super healthy, nutritious and very delicious chickpea salad. In a pan, take a few drops of olive oil. Add to it 1 cup of boiled chickpeas. Just saute all the chickpeas in high flame for 1 or 2 minutes. Add Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon for a beautiful color. Saute once again and take it out in a bowl. Just after a while, add finely chopped onions, finely chopped tomatoes, some carrot, finely chopped, add some cucumber and pomegranate seeds, finely chopped chili as per your taste. Now add some spices, salt as per taste, black pepper powder 1/4 teaspoon, chaat masala powder 1/4 teaspoon and roasted cumin powder 1/4 teaspoon and cilantro. Just squeeze half of a lemon. Yes. Just give it a good mix. Mix everything very properly. Now here you are. Our salad is done. You can take this salad in your breakfast, lunch and dinner. It's very healthy and tasty and a must-try recipe. Please give me your feedback. Do write in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.